And you gotta pay a fee, Doubleina.
Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina. Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina. Mr. Doubleina, Mr. Bob Doubleina.
And I'm happy just to see you at a table with old friends and see which one of us can tell the biggest lies.
Hey moron! Fucking moron!
X-ray Foxtrot Oscar Zulu Echo Delta X.
And there was a lady on Facebook this morning who posted about a tiler that she said she had to get some tiling done, and she had asked online if there was any good. Hey, let him through.
Dumb fox.
You're on 891 ABC Radio Adelaide. You're in the 5:30 club with Sonia and Jules. Hello, Daryl.
Good morning, Sonia, Jules. Actually, we're just talking about ugly Dave Gray, and I was thinking, you know, some people that are born maybe 20 or 30 years too late. He always struck me as one of those that was from a different era. You know, like a poor man's George Burns or Groucho Marx, and I could imagine him being on those seniors cruises and stuff, you know, or doing the leagues clubs, or those seniors cruises and stuff, you know, or doing the leagues clubs or those holiday places in Brighton or something like that, you know, and everybody go, oh God, you're a local comedian, you know.
That's fine, those were the days, but
It's not even close to being not red.
which is like, you know,
This car that's coming up too. Really run this light. Yes. Yes.
red P later in the Ford Falcon,
Very
ladies
red.
and gentlemen. There's cameras on like every second light.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a neurological problem here.
There's something wrong with my brain?
Oh yeah.
Stop eating, fucking drive. busy fucking eating and driving, you fuckwit.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
$3 off your next job? Yeah. Not long till the long weekend. Not hard to find thirsty camel polo shops. I'm so serious. Drink responsibly. Ha ha ha!
Faster Pasta's mighty $10.90 lunch for yourself. Faster Pasta! It'll get you talking to me. Matchday 6 is now streaming on Stan Sport. Watch every match exclusive and ad-free. Live
Leave, you fuckwit!
on Stan Sport. Fucking idiot! Fuck! Nothing! Nothing!
You fucking idiot.
A little bit red.
Stigli smo na odredište.
Well, you certainly look like an idiot.
What are you doing? Go back! What are you doing, you moron? Fucking idiot! Flush as me!
Wow.
Look at that, Scotty.
And look, another one, Scotty.
3.
And another one.
There we go, Scotty. There's the old Oldsmobile. Go. Oldsmobile for Scotty. There you go, guys. Isn't that gorgeous?
We got the muscle cars going by. The gang.
The whole gang is here. I want the blue one.
Unfortunately, there's one holding in between that's screwed them up.
That's cool.
They came down here for.
Oh, Scotty, look at this. Sweet.